Are you searching for the best blenders on Amazon that truly deliver power, performance, and value? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break down 5 top-rated blenders that are making waves in American kitchens, from budget-friendly gems to high-end beasts. And don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals. Number 5, the king of them all, the Vitamix A2500. This powerhouse doesn't just blend, it thinks. With built-in wireless connectivity, it adjusts to the container size you're using. Plus, it has 3 smart programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. And a digital timer? That's right, no more guesswork. Pros: professional-grade blending power, wireless detection of container size, built to last years, not months. Cons: premium price around $600. Can be intimidating for casual users. Number 4. Want to feel like a chef in your own kitchen? The BlendTec Total Blender Classic brings 1,560 watts of power and comes packed with 6 pre-programmed cycles, including smoothies, hot soups, and frozen treats. Its 10-speed manual control and easy cleaning design mean it's built for real kitchens and real life. Huge 75-ounce jar, ideal for entertaining. Hot soup blending feature. No tamper needed thanks to powerful vortex action. Pricey at nearly $400. Not dishwasher safe. If you're serious about blending, this is hands down one of the best blenders on Amazon for high-performance users. Number 3. Looking for something that can handle both single-serve smoothies and full family meals? The NutriBullet 1200-watt combo comes with a 64-ounce pitcher and individual cups for on-the-go blending. It features 3 speeds plus extract mode, giving you precision whether you're blending soft fruits or hard veggies. Pros: includes cups with to-go lids. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Comes with a tamper and recipe book. Cons: not as powerful as premium models. Can vibrate a bit on higher speeds. For under $130, it's perfect for health-conscious families and busy mornings. No doubt, one of the best blenders on Amazon for multitaskers. Number 2, Black & Decker Power Crush. It might be the most underrated gem on this list. For less than $50, you get a 6-cup glass jar, 4 speed settings, and Quad Pro blade technology that actually creates a vortex to pull ingredients down, meaning smoother blends faster. Pros: budget-friendly without feeling cheap. Glass jar gives it a premium touch. Dishwasher safe parts. Not ideal for super tough blending, like nut butter. Lower power, 700-watt peak, means more time blending. If you're on a tight budget and still want a reliable countertop blender, this is one of the best blenders on Amazon in the under $50 category. Number 1. This one's a fan favorite with over 100,000 ratings, and for good reason. The Ninja Professional Blender brings 1,000 watts of raw crushing power, which means it can turn ice into snow in seconds. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies, icy cocktails, or sauces, its total crushing technology doesn't just blend, it obliterates. Massive, 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for families. Dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze. Great price to performance ratio. Cons: no pre-programmed settings. A bit loud at full speed. But for under $100, it's one of the best blenders on Amazon for all-around use. But if you want perfection and you're ready to invest, this is the best blender on Amazon for serious home chefs. So there you have it, the best blenders on Amazon for every kind of kitchen and every kind of cook. Whether you're blending on a budget or aiming for gourmet greatness, one of these top-rated machines is ready to level up your blending game. Tell us in the comments, which blender are you excited about? Don't forget, all the links with the best prices are waiting for you in the description below.